While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost expectations and getting more financial backer consideration due to how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG organization is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this misjudged coin is getting additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG organization project and the story behind it. The outline of OMG organization. OMG organization is a Layer 2 scaling arrangement that has worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens less expensive and quicker than making those exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG organization was established by Chadikavanji, a Thai resident working as an auxiliary of SYNQA, which is a Thailand-based fintech organization. As per the site, OMG organization is likewise getting a rebrand as OMG establishment, with millions brought up in the last round of subsidizing around $80 million in Series C financing. OMG at last sees a few achievement and genuinely necessary acknowledgement from the crypto market. In the same way as other digital forms of money, the administration holds some stockpile of the complete portion of coins. As the greatest inventory is fixed, there is supposed to be a most extreme cap of precisely 140,245,398 OMG at the present time. Not at all like numerous other digital forms of money, the absolute stockpile has proactively been completely stamped, with around 65% flowing through dynamic financial backers. OMG organization market opinion. The ongoing cost going off is being ascribed to financial backer fervor. OMG organization group is carrying out a few new turns of events, which should be visible on their task site. OMG token holders are qualified for BOBA administration token, which has been in the news as of late, as indicated by the undertaking site. BOBA organization is an Ethereum Layer 2 hopeful roll-up scaling arrangement. The point is to lessen gas expenses, further develop the exchange throughput and broaden the capacities of Brilliant Agreement, named BOBA organization. The task is a Layer 2 arrangement that will permit exchanges of most cryptographic forms of money to have an installment interaction at a lightning-quick speed. This will build the perceivability of cryptos as a practical opponent to Visa and MasterCard. In the event that this innovation fundamentally impacts the way how the world handles monetary standards, it will be the following huge thing in the fintech world. We should investigate industry specialists and best digital currency conjecture stages perspectives on the OMG organization cost expectations. In view of our OMG cost forecasts, a drawn-out increment is normal. The OMG organization cost figure for 2026 is $19.23, with a 5-year venture. The income is supposed to be around plus 283.72%. As per their OMG cost figure, the coin could cross $7.30 before the current year's over and $9.67 by 2026. OMG organization cost has been showing a rising inclination, and our information demonstrates that the OMG cost has been on an upswing for the beyond 1 year. The future cost of OMG is anticipated at $26.01 following a year, as per our forecast. Taking into account OMG has acquired than 200% in 2021 yet is as yet 70% underneath its pinnacle, it has grabbed financial backers' eye. On the off chance that the DeFi and NFT space keeps on warming up and the BOBA network turns into a hit with engineers, OMG organization cost could detonate, and its worth could become 10 times by 2025. In light of the OMG organization's authentic value information and expectations, we anticipate the OMG organization cost could be exchanging around $7.27 toward the year's end 2022. Likewise, it very well may be $11.77 precisely 1 year sometime in the afternoon. In the following 3 years, the most elevated level OMG organization cost could reach is $32.61. OMG specialized investigation. In the event that we see how well it is doing, the OMG organization cost is at 3 years high, with the ongoing cost exchanging at $5. This high, whenever preceded, can overwhelm 4 years high in no less than a year. It keeps a decent up-moving business sector. The value history of OMG organization isn't that great in the past 2 years. The cost changes have not been fascinating for crypto exchanging this time span. The drop in cost in 2018 was primarily because of the forbidding of OMG cryptographic money in the trades, bringing about high unpredictability at those key levels. With its new high of $5.01 since its underlying stages, OMG organization seems to be a decent chance for brokers. Be that as it may, is it sufficient at this sticker cost to purchase OMG Organize? Is the OMG market currently far beyond the best section point? How about we find out with the specialized investigation? The ongoing cost of OMG organization is $5.01, with the crypto positioning at number 101. The market capitalization of OMG organization is around $699,630,149.64 and a flowing stockpile of around 140,245,398 OMG coins, which is the greatest coin limit. The most recent 24 hours ups and downs have been $5.10 and $4.80. Separately, the amassing has been consistently expanding throughout the past year and is as yet reliable, with the OMG breaking out this moment, beating different gauges. This is a decent technique to enter utilizing the cup and handle design. However long the cost stays over its 50-day moving normal, the section ought to be great for merchants to use as a passage. The benefit taking can be made by involving exit techniques for cryptos since they are substantially more unstable. So utilizing the right leave methodology to bring in cash is the only thing that is important. Utilizing a short union base, a dealer or financial backer can enter during the development of the OMG organization and leave when the unpredictability is low. OMG organization value forecasts 2022 to 2026. As the reception rate for Ethereum Layer 2 arrangements keeps on rising, it will be great for OMG organization too. The OMG cost expectation for 2022 will undoubtedly be great as the value keeps on taking off new high with just about 300% return in the beyond couple of months. The OMG organization gauge is around $5.01 for the present as the unpredictability hasn't hit its most extreme cutoff. In light of the OMG cost forecasts, it is a decent long-haul venture choice. Putting your cash in OMG organization is a decent choice for the future as it has kept an uplifting perspective. OMG value expectation 2022. With the OMG cost expectation for 2022 around $5.47, it will probably be the year when the eventual fate of OMG organization will essentially consider the cost outline it structures. The OMG value estimate of $6.53 is sensibly protected assuming the reception rate proceed. The worth of OMG will increment after some time as it accumulates the consideration of the crypto local area. OMG organization value forecast 2023. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain energy according to our OMG organization gauge. Thus, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. For long-haul OMG organization cost expectations, fundamental specialized investigation is required. Regarding industry arrangements, the OMG token offers a couple. The OMG organization runs a bug abundance program, which rewards software engineers to track down mistakes inside the organization and assists with fixing those issues. This motivation to find issues in the organization makes it very great, as any issues that will be found could be accounted for back to the advancement group, and the issues could be fixed. This will empower the OMG organization to remain protected from bugs over the long haul. OMG value expectation 2024. The OMG coin will stay in the vertical cost pattern in 2024. By 2020,